We're running on time here, which is always good. So we're now heat 2 of 3. Katie Clark's giving a shout out to Yarra Rangers. Thanks, Katie. Heat 2 just about to start. In lane 1 we got Sandringham. In lane 2 we got Geelong. In lane 3 Frankston. Lane 4 we got Caulfield. Lane 5 Ballarat. Lane 6 Kew. Lane 7 Wodonga. And lane 8 we got Whittlesea. Now hard to tell who's changed first. I think that's Whittlesea out in the back straight. We'll have to see who we pick up in the stagger. Sandringham looks like it's got the lead right now with Geelong very close. Geelong could take, Geelong's going to take first, then Sandringham, and then what looks to be Kew in lane 6. Fantastic run by all the teams.